One of my goals while I'm living here in Bermuda is to visit all of its nature reserves. And today, I'm going to Idwal Hughes Nature Reserve. Come with me! I took bus number 1 from town and got off the bus stop close to Tom Moore's Tavern. And this is the road that I have to take going to Idwal Hughes Nature Reserve. Idwal Hughes Nature Reserve was established in 1982. I'm hoping for some bird sightings because I love birds, especially when they are in their natural habitat. I actually intended to go to Tom Moore's jungle, but in the map I saw that there is a nature reserve before that. And so I decided, why not come here first, and then after this, I go to Tom Moore's jungle. I think we have to turn right because there is a sign over there that this is private property. And so, let's go here. Sadly, some folks who went here left their trash. So, this is it, Idwal Hughes Nature Reserve. It's actually pretty small, like Hungry Bay Nature Reserve. And we have here the mangroves. Since there are no trails or anything else to do here, I'm gonna go to Tom Moore's jungle now. I've seen some birds, but I couldn't capture them in my camera. I checked online and this is Tom Moore's Tavern. They open in the evening, so they're not yet open now. And since it says not allowed to enter, I'm not gonna do that. The thing is that if I go that way, going to Tom Moore's jungle, it will just take 6 to 10 minutes of walk. But if I go back to the main road and walk, it's gonna be like 30 minutes or more because I'm a slow walker. But I don't want to risk it. So I'm just going back to the main road, walk, hope that a bus would pass, and I'm at the right place when it passes. I am back here at the sign, and guess what? I see a trail. Maybe Idwal Hughes Nature Reserve covers not just the area with the mangroves, but also this one. And maybe this leads to Tom Moore's jungle. Come along with me as I navigate this trail. Of course, my friends would tell me I shouldn't be doing this, even though I'm in Bermuda, even though this is one of the safest places in the world, because you still never know. But knowing me, I'm hard-headed, so I'm gonna do what I want. Now I'm confused. We have a sign here saying that welcome to Walsingham Nature Reserve. I am not sure if this is another name for Idwal Hughes or this is an entirely new nature reserve. And it's just saying that go here at your own risk. Okay, this is like the nicest trail I've ever seen here in Bermuda. The video, I don't think it captures how beautiful this is. I hope it goes out to a road that is accessible to people and the cars, because I don't want to go back there. Bird sighting! I'm so excited! Finally, sunshine! I'm back in the open. There's a road over there. I don't know where that leads to. And there's another road here. Actually, just a continuation of the trail that I took. And I'm gonna take this road because I think it's riskier taking that road. This road is also wider. I just looked up in Google and I learned that Walsingham Nature Reserve is actually Tom Moore's jungle. It's the same thing. So I crossed from the other nature reserve, Idwal Hughes, to Tom Moore's. I'm in the right place right now. Since I'm in the right place, I might as well go to that small road and see what's in store for me over there. I feel like taking that risk now that I know that I am at Tom Moore's jungle. Let's go down there. Let me repeat my reaction. Look what I found! I am going down there to have a closer look at this thing. I think it's a terrible idea to go on that side, and so I found another way to go there. Just a reminder, no fishing, no swimming. Getting closer now. Hopefully I don't slip because there's no one else here. No one will help me if anything should happen. It's scary because I can see what's underneath. It rained last night, so there are leaves and whatnot, but on a better day, like better weather, didn't rain, it would be clearer and scarier. Because I don't know, I'm just not used to seeing what's underneath if it's not white sand. Look at it. Okay, enough for today's adventure because it's creeping in already. I'm kind of scared being here. Although, I'm happy to have been able to see this alone, all to myself, because if there's somebody else here, honestly, I don't think I'd be able to vlog. But I'm here all alone, gotta enjoy the place, but I'm done. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much for tagging along in this adventure on going to both Idwal Hughes Nature Reserve and here at Tom Moore's Jungle. Have a great day.